Today, we're gonna make over this like faux book. I don't know guys, let's get it all painted. I know we have to paint this little box white for it to work. I think I'm gonna use some undercover primer. There is the primer. Now I'm gonna go with paint. Do you think green would be pretty? And then we could do the frame white with a little bit of green highlight. Let's go for it. This is Mossy Meadow by Folk Art. Okay, I think that's dry. So let's get our decoupage down. So we have this pretty bluebird. Now I want to do this one because if we're going to paint this green, that'll be really pretty painted green with this one. So we're going to put this one on the front. I'm just going to cut the side, water cut the side. Just going to lay this here, kind of get it even. I am going to use some Push Up Pigment Infuser. So I'm just using my little sanding block and it just works like a champ. Taking it, gives you that perfect edge. And there's the front. Isn't it so pretty? Oops. All right, so I do have a little bit of lifting right there, and all I'm gonna do is you take a little pencil and get some of your decoupage medium and just do that if it's lifting on the edges. Sometimes I get that. Maybe we should do this on the back. Kind of matches. Let's go for it. I do have to water cut the back. But there's the back. Isn't that pretty paper? So this is just triple thick dirt clear, y'all. Look at how pretty. So see that nice sheen that triple thick dirt clear gives you? Oh my God, I love that paper right there. Okay. So here's what I was planning, is taking this Would You Bend, this big ornate frame, and I was gonna put it like right here in the center. And then I was gonna take some bling chain or whatever, put it down here, put it up here. Kind of, you know me, I gotta put a little bit of sparkle on just about everything, or I have like this kind of chain. Just something to, maybe we'll do that. It's a little bit more dainty. I want to kind of like draw with a pen where this is gonna go. I'm thinking that green okay, and this is white wax. This is from Behr. This is where I use, you know, I always use their wax. There's a difference with white. See, that's the white wax up at the top. So there's the whole thing done. So this is just wood glue that I am putting on. I'm going to use a brush. I don't want to get a whole lot of seepage, but even though we're putting this on a flat piece, you still want to heat it up, because when you heat up the Would You Bend, it really helps the glue. Now, I think, what do you guys think on this side? Do you think green on the side? I'm thinking we'll fill that in, fill this little bit of white around here with the green as well. So I'm going to whip out that white wax once again. I even saved the brush because I don't have a white wax brush. So I'll grab the same one, and we're gonna do the side. Oh, I'm gonna put this on. So, I don't know what color, rose gold. You guys want rose gold? I'm doing rose gold and we'll see what it looks like. This is just a metallic wax paste. Okay, my non-sensory. All right, I'm gonna do that white part, I think. So let's see what it looks like. If not, then you know we can always change it. It's just as easy to change. I'm just using wax. Let's see how that kind of darkens it up at the top there. And then you see how it's just a little bit of shimmer of that up there to bring out that. Yeah, it's very Victorian looking, so I'm just using a little bit. You don't need to seal this stuff, and I'm just... Isn't that pretty? So I am going to add this little bit of rhinestone trim. I am going to use my diamond glaze. Doesn't that look so pretty? So this is Totally Dazzled, my little collection of bugs. This is what I call it, butterflies, bees. And I have silver, and I'm thinking... This is what I was thinking. I love this butterfly. You can get this at totallydazzled.com. The link is in the video description. But I'm thinking like a little butterfly. Yeah, it's a rose gold. Look at this one. It's all rhinestones. I kind of like that one up here. Look at how pretty. We just took a spooky book. This was a Halloween book, y'all, and we turned it into a beautiful little...
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.